First, remove the original vehicle's dashboard frame. Next, remove the original dashboard mounting screws. Unscrew the right side screw. Unscrew the left screw. Remove the original dashboard. Disconnect the original vehicle wiring harness. Open the box and take out all the parts. Place the screen upside down on the steering wheel. Next, take cable C and connect it to the original vehicle harness and the slot on the back of the screen. Remember to install it securely. Next, take out line E and insert it into the position shown in the video. Then, take out the F connector cable. Insert it into the designated port shown in the video, and tighten it. Tidy up the wiring harness. Then place the screen back into its original position on the vehicle's dashboard. Then, secure it into the original screw holes. Tighten the screws to secure the screen in place. Take out part B and connect its wiring harness to part A. Once connected, simply snap into place within the frame. Next is the installation of the tire pressure monitoring sensors. Unscrew the original cap and install part D. Screw on the yellow cap nut. Then, install the sensor. Note here, after hand tightening the sensor, use the included wrench to tighten it further. This way, the sensor will be more precise.